In my last video, I showed you how I built this narrow console table. I'll put a card above if you haven't seen it yet. I planned on trying to sell it, but I discovered a problem with the top. There were two small holes that I filled with wood putty, but even after staining them, they stuck out a little bit. So I decided to go with plan B, rustication. I think rustic pieces are the easiest to create. The flaws become beauty marks when you call it rustic, just like magic. And it turned out better than the original, in my opinion. This one is going back on the selling list. Now, here's how I did it. Really easy to do. I used various tools to randomly hammer different size holes scattered across the whole top. The top was stained with golden oak, so I took some black walnut and used my staining sponge to run narrow streaks along the length. And then I rubbed those in with a paper towel to soften up the color. Then I took a Q-tip and filled the holes with the black walnut stain and immediately wiped the area clean, so just the hole was left dark with the stain. I still need to put some poly on the top. What's your vote? Should I go with satin or gloss? You don't have to get discouraged if you find a flaw in your piece. Just rusticate it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.